The goal of your first veggie garden is to grow crops successfully without spending a ton of time, money, and effort. You want it to be a fun, rewarding, and tasty experience. So when planning out your vegetable garden, you want to make sure to choose plants that are easy to grow. So what are some characteristics of easy to grow veggies? One, they're disease resistant. So plants, just like humans, can get pathogens. So you want to pick an actual variety that has a good disease resistant package so you don't lose your harvest to disease pressure. They're compact in growth. So you want your plant to be very small and manageable. You don't want a large, unruly tomato that's going to be taking up a lot of space and time and energy. You also want plants that are frost resistant. So this is going to be extremely important for those cool season veggies that you're planting in the early spring or fall because they're going to need to survive those cooler nights. Another one is they're slow to bolt. So your herbs like to flower. They usually flower early, and that's what it's called when they are bolting. This actually causes them to be bitter in taste and give you less harvest. So if you get a slow bolt variety, it's actually going to give you a better harvest and it's going to give you a longer harvest. The cool season veggies mean that they actually grow in these cooler temperatures, just as it sounds. So you can try things such as kale, lettuce, Swiss chard, or maybe some peas and some radishes. For warm season, I would try growing some cherry tomatoes and peppers, and you can start those in the later spring and early summer because they like those warmer temperatures. Try growing some of the veggies we've listed out in this video, and you can be successful in gardening this year.